John's Incredible Pizza Company is a family entertainment center on the West Coast. Since this is an amusement park channel, I want to spotlight the Carson, California location specifically because they're the only one that currently has a roller coaster. And it also happens to be a very convenient pit stop if you're flying out of LAX airport. So if you're a coaster enthusiast, find out everything you need to know about this bonus credit in this full review of this family entertainment center. John's Incredible Pizza Company was founded back in 1997. They currently operate 10 locations. 9 are in California, and 1 is located in Las Vegas. All of these locations feature an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet, and a large game room with modern arcade games and some rides. I have only experienced the Carson location, but it appears many of the same points apply to the others. The Carson property is just a 15-minute drive southeast from LAX airport. It's just off the route you would take if you're heading towards Disneyland or Knott's Berry Farm. This FEC is located in the Carson Town Center strip mall. This particular location is built in a former Kmart, and it covers roughly 60,000 square feet. Unlike some restaurant arcade combinations like Dave & Buster's, you are required to pay for the buffet to gain access to the game room. This costs $17 for adults. Then you have the option of adding a $1 card that you use for rides and games. Then each credit costs 25 cents. Arcade games seem to cost 2 to 4 credits each, which honestly isn't too bad. Then the rides cost a bit more. The Crazy 8's coaster specifically costs 14 credits. So if you're going for the coaster credit, the minimum cost you'll need to spend is $23.50. It is also worth noting the last admission is 1 hour before closing time. That is also the same time the buffet closes. So if you want to get the most bang for your buck, you definitely want to arrive at least 1.5 hours before closing. Now let's delve into the experience. I'll start with the restaurant. You have a giant buffet. The heart and soul is the pizza, and you have several varieties. I was impressed how many kinds were offered. In terms of taste, the pizza was okay. It was hot and fresh though. It won't beat a lot of local places in terms of quality, but this is the place you come to if you want quantity and variety. Beyond pizza, you have some other kid favorites like mac and cheese, chicken wings, and ice cream. Then you also have unlimited soft drinks as well. Then for the adults, there is alcohol, but that is an added cost. Then you have several different dining areas. Each one has its own different theme, ranging from a lodge, to cartoons, to sports. Each one has its own unique appearance. Then you have Fun World. This is a colorful area brimming with activity between the games, lights, and music. This mostly is a giant arcade. It is filled with a large fleet of modern games. There's a good mix of redemption and non-redemption games to choose from. And one of the most impressive things for a game room of this scale is that I didn't see a single broken game. You also have a mini golf course with a good mix of obstacles. Then you have a few rides. The biggest of the bunch is the Crazy 8's SBF Visa spinning coaster. This ride is modest in size, but it has a good cycle with no shortage of spinning. This was the most popular ride by far. You also have a carousel and the Boogie Bump bumper cars. However, I did not see anyone experiencing these during my visit. Neither ride was staffed, but there was a kiosk in the queue line that allows you to call for an operator. That's a really nice feature I wish more parks with rotating ride operators utilized. Beyond the offerings, I also want to highlight the staff. The employees I interacted with were efficient and friendly, especially those working the buffet area. The whole place was also quite clean, especially for a buffet catering towards a younger audience. So do I recommend John's Incredible Pizza Company? Yes, I do. For coaster enthusiasts, this place is an easy pit stop. Come hungry, fill up on lots of pizza, and get a coaster credit on the way out. If you eat a big meal, this actually is a fairly affordable coaster credit. I know some enthusiasts who have paid full price just to enter a park specifically for one ride and nothing else. The value isn't there if you skip the buffet though here. The two areas this place shines brighter are for arcade lovers and kids. I specifically saw many kids running around having the time of their life. This place seems particularly strong for children's birthday parties between all the offerings. So those are my thoughts on John's Incredible Pizza Company in Carson, California. What are your thoughts on this family entertainment center? Have you been to this location, or any of the others? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.